how to change your KakaoTalk profile picture. In today's guide, I'll be showing you how to change your KakaoTalk profile picture. Let's get started. First, open the application on your device. Now, once you are in, tap on your profile name right here, tap on it. Now you will see edit profile option right here, tap on edit profile. Once you tap on edit profile, you can see this camera icon right here, tap on it. Now you can see choose from gallery right here, or you can also put the default image, but for now let me just choose from gallery. Now once you tap on choose from gallery, select the image you wanna keep to your profile picture. Okay, once you select it, you can also keep filters from here like this. Keep it, tap on OK, and once tap on OK, tap on done right here. In this way, you can change your profile picture in KakaoTalk. Super simple, right? Hope this video helped you out. If it did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching.